I'm going to explain the process of creating a slider which provides movement to new note hole positions without the lip having to ride on the mouthpiece with the drying saliva and the mouth goop going into the harmonica and all that. Okay, it starts off, the slider starts off as a chunk of aged acrylic lucite. Okay. And it's shaped by hand. The first task will be to take a Dremel tool and to carve a hole in the underside which approximates the shape of the trapezoidal mouthpiece on a Vulcany. This has a Saxony mouthpiece on it for the trapezoidal fit, which I prefer. So I'll be grinding that. Later on, I'll sand the slider to fit the cover and then do very careful final fitting. Drill the hole, auger, smooth the hole on the top and the bottom and the sides of the slider here. There can't be hard edges anywhere. It'll click. So you want it to run smooth. That means this edge, the running edge here has to be smooth, and the hole has to be smooth on the underside and comfortable to the lips, smooth up there. So there's other tools I use that are Dremel tools to accomplish those tasks. And then of course, the shape of the slider on the outside is done on a bench grinder by hand, and then is sanded by hand to the perfect shape. This was a thing that I invented. Other people made them. Some of them were pretty nice. They had ball bearings and ran on Delrin and made on a CNC machine. But I found that this was actually the best and the simplest also. So I will, next video's safety considerations, and then we'll get started.